Hey there, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2018 Volvo XC60 T5 Momentum in maple brown metallic with an amber leather interior. I think this is a super sweet color combination. I lovingly refer to this as the caramel truffle. This has less than 23,000 miles on it, which is great for a 2018. It's got the convenience pack, the vision package, so you get things like pilot assist with adaptive cruise control, which is the semi-autonomous drive mode, the keyless entry with hands-free power liftgate, super sweet 20-inch wheels with the mud flaps already installed, integrated roof rails up top. T5 means that this is a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. All set to go with the luggage cover and this scuff plate on the bottom. Giant panoramic sunroof with a power sunshade. To drop the back seats from here. This has the climate package, so you get the heated leather wrapped steering wheel, the heated front and rear seats, it has the aluminum inlays, right here, and it has adjustable drive modes. This is your parking brake and your brake hold as well. Blind spot information system, lane keeping aid, all the safety features you're hoping for in a Volvo. This is such a good car for a mildly distracted driver. These are your seat and steering wheel controls. And this has Volvo voice control. Turn down seat heat.
Lowering seat heat.
And I switched it to have the Volvo voice control be a male voice, and you can do that in system, and then voice control, you can adjust your settings there, and you can change it up as the default or however you'd like it. Also, while I'm in settings, if you go back and go to climate, we can set this up for winter. So we will have heated, upon startup, heated hands and heated seats for the driver, the passenger. All set. Off to the left, you'll find your vehicle functions, and you can move these around if you'd prefer to find them a little bit more easy for whatever makes sense for you. This has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation. There's so much to know about these cars, and if you are ready to turn thoughts into action, this is certainly a sweet XC60, and it is stock number 6260A. PortlandVolvo.com has all the details. I'll add a link in the description box below for this particular car. We'd love to see you on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo, and we'll see you soon.